Variations in psychological attributes. Chapter 1. Answer the following questions in 10 to 12 sentences each. Each mark, each question carries 4 marks. The first question: discuss any two methods used for psychological assessment. Go to page number 4. Assessment. Under assessment methods, you have different methods used in psychological assessment. First one is psychological test. Second, interview, case study, observation, and self-report. So the question is, explain any two methods. So any two you can explain. Observation involves employing systematic, organized, and objective procedures to record behavioral phenomena occurring naturally in real life, in real time. Certain phenomena, such as mother-child interactions, can be easily studied through observation. The major problems with observational methods are that the observer has little control over the situation, and the reports may suffer from subjective interpretations of the observer. Second method, self-report method. It is a method in which a person provides factual information about herself and opinions, beliefs, etc. that he holds. Such information may be obtained by using an interview schedule or a questionnaire, a psychological test, or a personal diary. Second question is, explain Charles Spearman's two-factor theory. Go to page number 6. In 1927, Charles Spearman proposed a two-factor theory of intelligence. He showed that intelligence consisted of two factors, that is, a general factor, that is G factor, and some specific factors, S factors. The G factor includes mental operations which are primary and common to all performances. In addition to the G factor, he said that there are also many specific abilities. These are contained in what he called the S factor. Excellent singers, architects, scientists, and athletes may be high on G factor, but in addition to this, they have specific abilities which allow them to excel in their respective domains. So that's the answer for your 4-mark second question. 4 marks question, that is in your question bank. Third question is, what explain Louis Thurston's theory of intelligence. Louis Thurston, it is in the same page, Louis Thurston proposed the theory of primary mental abilities. It states that intelligence consists of 7 primary abilities, each of which is relatively independent of the others. These primary abilities are verbal comprehension. Verbal comprehension means grasping meaning of words, concepts, and ideas. Second one is numerical abilities, which means speed and accuracy in numerical and computational skills. Third one, spatial relations, which means visualizing patterns and forms. Fourth one, perceptual speed, speed in perceiving details. Fifth one, word fluency, which means using words fluently and flexibly. Sixth one, memory, accuracy in recalling information. And the last one is inductive reasoning, deriving general rules from presented facts. So that will be the answer for your third question. Explain Louis Thurston's theory of intelligence. Now the fourth question is, explain structure of intellect model proposed by J.P. Guilford. So you will have the answer in the same page. J.P. Guilford proposed the structure of intellect model, which classifies intellectual traits among three dimensions. These three dimensions are operations, contents, and products. Operations are what the respondent does. These include cognition, memory recording, memory retention, divergent production, convergent production, and evaluation. Second dimension is contents. Contents refer to the nature of materials or information on which intellectual operations are performed. These include visual, auditory, symbolic, which means letters, numbers, semantic, example words, and behavioral, example information about people's behavior, attitude, needs, etc. Third dimension is products, which refers to the form in which information is processed by the respondent. Products are classified into units, classes, relations, systems, transformations, and implications. So that's the answer for your fourth question. Explain structure of intellect model proposed by J.P. Guilford. We'll discuss the next questions in the next session. Thank you.